All right, we're gonna need some bait. We've got some already in the little trolling bucket, but I want to go ahead and bait up the jug lines with some fresh shad here. I'm just over here by the boat ramp, so it's not too bad getting the shad right now. Let's just see if we can get a real quick set going here. Got a little tangle, it's all right. Let's see what we got. Yeah, there we go. Got 1, 2, 3. All right, let's go bait up. All right, let's get this show on the road. All right, it's Saturday, May 25th. It's been a while since I've been out here. First time this year out at Lavon. Got sidetracked. Had to replace my little pickup, but we're here now. I caught some shad, and I'm gonna go and set some jug lines out, and let's go see what may be biting. Okay, we're gonna work this little cove just on the other side of this point here. We'll just set a set of jug lines close, and then we'll just kind of work it out this way and see where that takes us. And then once we do start getting some strikes, well, we'll adjust from there. Okay, I'm just gonna bait these guys, put them right on the hook, and I got a set of 3. I'm gonna go pre-bait the other ones here but shortly, but what I want to do is just give you an idea how quickly you can deploy these. So I've got a set of 3 right here ready to go. Okay, and right here, yeah, right there, that's set. I don't know how deep it is, so we're gonna have to play it by ear initially, but well, let's go set out one real quick here. I'm gonna just let it go, and let me just get it to the hook so it's free. There we go. Yeah, at this point you just throw it out. All right, and there it goes. All right, that one's set, and we'll get this other one ready. And I find it's easier to make sure that you have the hook portion of it free when you release it. So I get it to that swivel right here, and at that point it's just easier just to let it go. There's another one. All right, and we'll do the same thing here, and what will happen is that line will catch right on that holder right here, and that will be all you need to make it happen. All right, so there's a set of 3 right now, and that was just took a few, well, you saw how long it took. All right, got a set of 3. Let's go bait up some more and we'll get them redeployed. Okay, I got another 3 prepped. Now I'm just gonna take it back to where the other 3 I have, and I just wanna get us in a nice pattern. So I'm gonna start a pattern just a little bit to the left of it and go from there. All right, so here's the first one I'll let go right here. I'll just kind of toss it out, let it go. All right, and then we'll just throw this baby over and let that one go. Out. There we go. There's 2. Yep, that one's deploying nicely, and then the 3rd one right here. All right, we got them out. All right, we had one shake, but he stopped, so we're gonna go ahead and deploy 3 more. I guess kind of close to the other one, then we'll check it here shortly. So let's go get us these 3 more deployed and see where it takes us. I think I'm gonna take these a little bit further to the left where I'm currently at, because I've got 3, I guess, shallower, and then 3 that are a little bit deeper. And then I'm going to set these 3 a little bit further out just to see what happens. And I don't know, that one's still looking fishy, so we may have a fish on here. We'll check it here shortly. Let's get this other set deployed here. All right, so There's one. Okay. There's one. There's two. It's looking fishy. And here's three. All right. All right, let's go check that one. It was a quick shake, so usually that means it's a smaller one. So let's see if he's still on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Little shake shake. All right, keeper. Cheaper to keeper. Nice. All right. Cool beans. I got my gloves on, so that helps. And then I got what do you call it? My little tennis ball float here. That'll help things out when it comes to putting these guys on. All right, and here's those safety pins that I like using when I'm jug lining, or pretty much use it as my stringer. So I just poke that baby on there, just like so, and then I keep this here in case it'll fall in the kayak, and then I grab my tennis ball float like so, put it on here, and lock it in place right here. If you get a big one though, you definitely don't want to put it on the safety pin. It's better just to bring it in. But that's it. All right, let's get some more deployed. Okay, this next three I'm going to put deeper over here by the trees and whatnot, and we'll get these deployed, and then I may just shift these behind me back and forth, just kind of playing it by ear. All right, and I should have this one deployed here shortly. Just bear with me. Let's see, let's start out with this guy. And that one's gone. Let's go a little bit further out for this one. All right, this one's gone. All right, and then we got this one right here. All right, and that one's gone. All right, let's go sit back and watch success happen now. Okay, and to give you a lay of the land, I got three up close over here by the timber line. I got three way up over there where it's shallower, and then I've got six in the middle, kind of playing it by ear. The one that we got a hit on was a little bit closer to shore, but not quite in the shallow area. Everything's up. Lake is really up right now. Normally it's, I'd say this is probably normally about 9 feet, but I'd say it's another 3 feet up, 12, 14 maybe. Anyhow, well, let's go check things out over there. See, maybe something's moving. Okay. All right, we got one kind of shaky. I think he may be bigger than the other one. He's actually moving on us. So let's just kind of work our way up close and see. And like I was saying, we may need to deploy these a little bit further out. Oh man, I think he got him. No, he's still there. He's still there. I feel him. Oh yeah, little shaky shake. Fish fry time. Nice. All right, number 2 for the day. All right, we got a really good shake over here on the green one. It's already stopped, but let's just check it out. That was a real good shake. Very promising, and it seems to be more here in the middle, so I may shift some stuff closer. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, I feel him. All right, I feel him. He's still on. All right, another keeper. Another cheaper to keeper. Okay, all right, we'll get some eater size. All right, cool. All right, I got one way down over here. I don't know if there was anything on it or if it got snagged or whatnot, but we'll chase it down and go from there. You definitely get a workout doing this kayak fishing jug lining. Yeah, there's one on there. I can see it's moving really slowly. I'm hoping he's still there. We'll see. Okay. Oh yeah, he's still there. Oh yeah, he's a keeper. Keeper to keeper. Let's bring this baby in. Looks like we're getting some fog coming in and some misting too, so we'll just play it by ear, but Oh yeah, this one's a keeper. All right, let's just get you situated here. Okay. All right, number 4 for the day, biggest one so far. Cool beans. All right, I'm gonna check this one, mainly because he seems to be drifting away from everybody, and the wind's going this way, and it's going that way. So I'm hoping that means there's something there. So let's just kind of walk up on it here, so I don't spook them. And let's see. I don't feel anything. Oh yeah, there he is. He's just drifting away, taking his time. Kind of tangled a little bit, but he's a keeper. Right there. All right, nice. All right, we got 2 shaken, and I just redeployed one. So we'll check this one that's close by, and then we'll check that other one over here. It's one of the blue ones. So this green one is getting shook, and let's just check it out. See if there's somebody there. Somebody a knocking. Oh yeah, somebody a knocking. What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a catfish. Blue cat, bigger size. Nice. All right. We'll have to go check that other one here in a little bit. Okay, this is the one that's been moving ahead of me. And I went ahead and picked up a few just because, well, I don't want to be chasing them all over the place here. So, and I think we got enough to do our little fish fry. Let's just check this guy out. He moved a good, oh, I'd say maybe 100 feet now. Not really taking it under, so let's see what happens. Okay. Don't feel anything. Feel any pressure? I feel something now. Oh yeah. He's a cheaper to keeper one. Okay. Okay, all right. Yeah, much easier having these gloves on. All right, cool. Okay, so overall, it was a fun time catching some catfish jug lining. Cool beans.